Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Asana for portfolio management setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.asana.com and press enter. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and click on the Get Started button. Check your email inbox for a message from Asana. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to Asana. Now, create a password that meets the specified criteria. Once you've set your password, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to provide your name. Fill in your first and last name, then click Next. At this stage, Asana will prompt you to select how you plan to use the tool. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, you'll need to create your first project. Click on the Create a Project button. You will have the option to choose from various templates or create a blank project. Select a template that suits portfolio management, or choose blank project to start from scratch. Once you make your selection, give your project a name. After naming your project, click on the Create Project button. Your project will now be created, and you will be taken to the project dashboard. From here, you can add tasks related to your portfolio. Click on the Add Task button to start entering your tasks. Fill in the task details, including the name, due date, and assignees if necessary. Continue adding tasks until your portfolio is fully outlined. To organize your tasks, consider using sections or columns. Use the Add Section feature to categorize your tasks effectively. You can also customize the project view to suit your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.